Having a weak Verizon signal at home can be frustrating. Several factors contribute to this problem. Signals weaken as you get farther from Verizon cell towers. Here's how signal strength is measured in dBm. Physical obstructions like concrete walls or metal roofing can significantly block your signal. Network congestion, especially during peak hours, can cause slow speeds and weak signals. Even the type of building materials used in your home's construction can significantly impact signal strength. Understanding these factors is the first step toward finding a solution. Signal strength is measured in dBm, which stands for decibels relative to a milliwatt. This is the standard unit for measuring wireless signal power. A reading of negative 50 dBm indicates excellent signal strength, while anything negative 100 dBm or lower is considered weak and may cause connection issues. To visualize this, here's a scale showing how signal strength changes. Green represents excellent signals, while red indicates poor or dead zones. Most smartphones display signal strength using simple bars, but you can find the more precise dBm reading in your phone's settings for a better understanding of your connection quality. Verizon's app often provides this dBm information as well, helping you diagnose signal issues right on your device. Knowing your dBm reading can help you determine if you need to take action to improve your signal, such as using a booster or switching to Wi-Fi calling. Here's a visual representation of cell towers and signal strength levels to help you understand these measurements in practice. A simple and often effective solution is to enable Wi-Fi calling on your Verizon phone. This feature allows your phone to use your home's Wi-Fi network to make and receive calls, bypassing the need for a strong cellular signal. Most modern smartphones support Wi-Fi calling, and it's usually found in your phone's settings under Phone or Cellular. Make sure Wi-Fi calling is enabled and your phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. On an iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, and enable Wi-Fi calling. On Android, go to Settings, Connections, and enable Wi-Fi calling. Once enabled, your phone will automatically use Wi-Fi for calls when connected to your home network, providing a stable connection even with weak cellular signals. If Wi-Fi calling isn't enough, consider a Verizon-approved signal booster. These devices capture existing cellular signals from outside your home, amplify them, and rebroadcast them inside. Verizon offers several signal boosters that are FCC certified to prevent network interference. These boosters typically require an outdoor antenna for optimal performance to capture signals effectively. The system includes a receiver on the roof, a booster inside, and broadcasting throughout the home. Signal boosters can improve weak signals from -100 dBm to strong levels like -50 dBm. These boosters typically cost between $200 and $500. Make sure to check Verizon's website or contact customer support for compatible models. The Verizon Network Extender, also known as a femtocell, is a device that connects to your home internet and creates a mini cell tower within your home. It provides improved cellular coverage in an area of up to 5,000 square feet, making it particularly useful in areas where signals are consistently weak. Benefits include improved indoor coverage, usefulness for weak signals, and FCC certification for safe operation. As shown, signal strength can improve significantly, from -90 dB to -60 dBm. Setting up involves connecting the extender to your router and activating it through your Verizon account. The device resembles a router and connects to your home internet. This solution helps eliminate dead zones and provides reliable coverage indoors. For homes with consistently poor cellular signals, consider Verizon's 5G home internet service. This service uses fixed wireless access to deliver internet directly to your home via an outdoor antenna, bypassing traditional cable or DSL. While primarily an internet service, it can significantly improve overall connectivity and reduce reliance on cellular signals for data. Check Verizon's website to see if 5G home internet is available in your area. If you've tried the previous solutions and still experience weak signals, it's time to troubleshoot further. Check Verizon's support pages for specific guides and FAQs related to your device and location. You can also use the Verizon app to run network diagnostics and receive personalized recommendations. If all else fails, contact Verizon customer support directly for assistance with more complex issues or potential network upgrades in your area.